o'clock. It did not take me 45 minutes to do all that. It probably took me 20, but I didn't do it consecutively. Like, I got some water, went to the bathroom, talked to my husband, then yeah, so I didn't do it consecutively, so it probably only took 20 minutes. So my extra thing for today is cleaning the fridge. Now I'm not going to show you me cleaning the fridge because this is going to be, I don't know, do you call it a montage or something else? Anyway, of 5 days, so I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just show you the before and after, and this has not been done for 2 weeks. I do try to clean my fridge, and I don't mean deep clean, I just mean a general clean. It does need deep clean every once in a while, but I do a general clean like once a week, and I haven't done that. So yeah, which makes you waste more food. It makes me waste more food when it's jam-packed like that, and I can't see what's in there, and then I just go, oh, let's just eat out. Alright, so I'm not going to do this now, because the other thing is I am doing intermittent fasting, and I cannot eat until 12 o'clock. So I don't want to be cleaning the refrigerator while I'm starving to death, so that will be later today. Hi, Cow Cow. Okay, guys, you may have noticed that I loaded the dishwasher and did the dishes a lot later in the day than I unloaded. That's just how it goes sometimes. You know, and today's Saturday, and I'm coming off of, have done a weekly home blessing, and I've decided to call that a weekly home refresh, because when I looked it up, it's nothing like what Fly Lady does. So, I was suggesting that I call it weekly home refresh, and a couple other subscribers had said they really liked that, so that's what I'm calling it. So, yesterday, on Friday, I did a weekly home refresh. So, coming off on that, there really isn't a whole lot to do around the house. That being said, I wanted to, I have some stuff that I have to put away here, and so I'm going to do that and put away the dishes and stuff before I go to bed. So, which is not for a while yet, but I just finished dinner, so I need to finish loading the dishwasher and run that so I can load it tomorrow morning. Now, I want to start doing some new routines. I do not have a nightly routine. Pretty much I make dinner, leave it out, well, put the food away, leave the dishes out, and do it in the morning. Well, had I done that last night, then I could have had nothing to do this morning. Okay, so basically, I want to establish a nighttime routine during doing this. I feel like my mascara is smudged. Anyway, so we just got back, so that's what I'm going to do now. And, oh, truth be told, I didn't do the refrigerator. Because, you know what, I didn't feel like it. I just didn't feel like it, so I'm going to do something else. I think I'm going to do the drawers. I'm going to do a few of the drawers. We'll see what I can get done. It is 7:45. Yeah, we just kind of hung out today on the patio after hubby made me breakfast. He makes me breakfast every Saturday and Sunday, and then we got dressed and took a shower, and we went to Target, and we went to Marshall's, and we went and got a frosted coffee, and it's almost 8 o'clock, and so I have to be finished eating by 8. So I just had dinner, actually kind of stuffed. So I need to put away this stuff, and so today I'm going to start a nighttime routine. Like I said, I don't really have one. If the house is messy, I just go to bed and clean it up in the morning or throughout the day. I don't have a morning routine either, but I'm establishing one. I do clean, it's just whenever I feel like it. So, alright, so I want to put this stuff away. This is stuff that I bought. I also went to a health food store and bought this Garden of Life stuff. I mean, this is here nor there. And I'll just show you real quick because you might be interested in some Dave's Killer Bread. I bought the thin stuff instead of the thick stuff because it's less calories. And I bought some candles for the bathroom, which I'm going to show you bathroom refresh on Monday. And I bought some tie backs for my new curtains that I bought when I did a master bedroom refresh thing. paper plates and stuff. So what I want to do is I got 1, 2, 3, 4, well, that's not a drawer, 5, 6, I'm not going to do those. I think I'm just going to do, and then 7. I want to clean these out, so I have to wipe them out. So I have to take everything out and wipe it with some Mrs. Meyer's or something like that, and then put everything back in. I need to wash these out. So this is something I didn't do when I organized the kitchen last year, when I decluttered the kitchen, because I barely had enough energy last year to do that. Never mind trying to clean at the same time, because that would have been the smart thing to do, right? But I didn't do it. So it needs done, and of course it just needs done periodically anyway. There's crumbs in there, and I'm going to get the vacuum out and vacuum. See, there's some crumbs, and there's crumbs in there. And by the way, how do crumbs get in there? They're clean dishes. How do crumbs get in there? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to get the little, what do you call it, the cordless vac and vacuum real quick. I don't think I'm going to mop. I'm going to put these dishes away so my sink is clear, start the dishwasher, and then reset the house. So in the morning, I'm going to have barely anything to do. I'll just have to unload the dishwasher, and yeah, that's it. I'm thinking, make the bed. There's no laundry to be done because I just did that on Thursday. Again, when I come off of a weekly home refresh, the next day there's not as much to do, which is what I want, because I want to do that on Friday so that on the weekend I don't have to do much, so I can just relax, get back to some crocheting and all that kind of stuff. So all right, let me get started. That just happened. The tripod fell over and the ring on the back of my phone, I record with my phone, not a camera, fell off, and that's what I hook it onto the tripod with. Yeah, so I gotta figure out somehow else to record the rest of this video. Okay, everything is all cleaned up. Counters are wiped. And when I was putting away that protein powder that I bought, underneath the cabinet, I found this stuff, and this is from our trip to Yellowstone in July, and we didn't even like any of these. These are granola bars and stuff like that, and some coffee, instant coffee things that I don't like, so I'm just going to throw it away. So I decluttered that little bin and stuff, and I hate this Katori. I mean, I like it, but I hate it being on my counter. I gotta find a place for it. So, all right, I'm going to start. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to put the camera on the tripod with. So I'm just gonna take this out. I'm just gonna take everything out, and yeah, I'm gonna start with these 2 drawers, and then I'm gonna just vacuum them out, vacuum the crumbs out, and use the Mrs. Meyer's. No, what do I have? I have Method. Right now I'm using Method, and if I run out, I'm almost empty, I'll use Mrs. Meyer's or whatever else I have. I also have 7th generation. I don't have a preference really. So, and I got the vacuum out. I'm not going to vacuum the floor until afterwards in case from doing this crumbs gets on the floor. So I got out the other vacuum because the handy vac, it has a dust buster on it, but it's too hard to clean in the drawer with that. So this has a hose, and I'm going to use that, and yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna get started because I can't put you on the tripod, dang it. And of course I'm going to do the easier drawer next because I didn't know how much longer I want to do this. It is 8:17. I could do the other drawers another day, right? I don't have to finish all of them. So what time did I set? I started at 7:45, so it's already been a half an hour. And it took me a half an hour. Well, I forgot. I did the dishes and stuff. And I'm not going to start the dishwasher until hubby eats. So when he's done, he could put his plate in there and then I can start. So I think I'm going to just do this. And so I just need to take these out. And I think that's it because I would like to sit and watch some TV. Actually, I want to sit and watch some YouTube. I don't watch TV. I watch YouTube. And yeah. Okay, done. So that's good. So I like to roll my towels, my hand towels, and fold my, these are washcloths that I use. Well, from here forward are washcloths. And these are my drying mats. And these are Pioneer Woman. And I did reach my goal here of not having nothing on the counter. And hopefully I can, anything that needs to be hand washed can be contained to this one sink. Yeah. So I have porcelain sinks, so I can't like shine my sink. So what I've been using lately is this Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleaner, but it's not doing a good enough job. Usually I have to fill the sink up and soak it either in bleach or vinegar because we have well water and it just stains. But I don't have any bleach or vinegar, so I need to put that on my list. And what I like to do is I like to keep a list right here. And I don't have a pen. Of course. Let me see if I can find one behind me real quick. Yeah. So, I like to keep a pen. So, obviously, I need to, I got the candles. Anyway, so I need to, what was it that I even needed to do? Oh, I need, bleach and vinegar. I need to order a new phone ring. You think? Hopefully I can get that pretty quick or figure out something. And I'm going to vacuum and do a quick mop and then I'm done. I can do the other drawers another day and yeah, this is my nighttime routine apparently. Okay, the floor is mopped. I like to mop often in the kitchen. I don't always because it gets up the rest of the crumbs that I miss with the vacuum. I go barefoot in the house and I can't stand crumbs on the bottom of my feet. So anyhow, so those need to go in the laundry. I will get fresh ones out in the morning. So here's my list. So these are all the things I did today. I didn't do the fridge again. I will do that tomorrow. That will definitely happen tomorrow. I need to do that so I'll have a fresh start on Monday. I don't think I need to go to the grocery store. I think we have enough food. I will take a what do you want to call it? Assessment of the fridge one after I clean it out and see. I think we are good. We're good on meat and all that kind of stuff. So that's beside the point. So I did the kitchen drawers instead and that's fine. The weekend's going to be, maybe I might do something extra. I definitely need to redo this. I already started it for next week. But the kitchen needs to have a daytime and nighttime. So maybe I'll just put a little N over here for nighttime. And then this side will be for the like morning and night. I mean, yeah. So I need to have a nighttime routine. There's really nothing else to clean up here. I'm going to sit on the couch with my blanket and some other stuff. So either I'll clean it up before I go to bed, haha, not, or clean it up in the morning, which takes all of, what, 2 minutes. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, that was day 2. So, of the 21-day cleaning challenge that is put on by Sophia from My Great Challenge. So, go over to her channel if you're not already subscribed and subscribe to her. And the other people are participating is Dee from Dee Lovely Life. And I'm so excited. While filming this today, found out that Melody from Transforming Melody is going to join too. Sophia had asked her
but she didn't think she was going to be able to do that. So I'm excited that she's going to be joining. And also too, once I post this video, you realize that I'm not doing what I'm saying. I'm changing my mind. Well, I'm going to post this tonight. You're seeing this tonight, probably around midnight. So, but I won't post the next one probably until Thursday, because I have some cleaning. I have to finish the 10-day cleaning, which is going to be the refresh the bathroom, the master bath, refresh the patio. So, you know, that's going to be major cleaning. It's not something I can do in 15 minutes like I just did the kitchen drawers. And then refresh the front porch to reset my house for the rest of the year. Kind of like Sophia did, where she brought her whole house back to zero before starting this 28-day challenge. So, yeah, I'm so excited. And thank you, Sophia, for inviting me and kicking my butt. And you know me, Dee and Melody just love you. Sophia was one of the first channels I started watching on YouTube. I can so relate to her, even though I don't work outside the home and have 2 young boys. I just feel like, you know, some of the stuff, we have the same mindset and whatever. And, you know, she struggles with clutter, and I've been struggling with clutter the last 5 years because I've not had very good health in the last 5 years, so nothing got done around here. So it's time to deep clean and get back to it. Yeah, it's amazing how much clutter you can accumulate in 5 years, because I didn't used to have this much stuff. But last year I got rid of a ton. There's still a few things, and today I got rid of a handful of silverware, so that I wasn't even thinking I was going to do. So that's it for this video. I didn't intend this video to be this long. There you go again. Take a look. That's it, guys. Check the links below. I think there's going to be a playlist. Sophia, so I will link the playlist below, and check out Dee's channel and Melody's channel and Sophia's channel, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next cleaning video, and follow me and let me know how you think I'm doing, or maybe not. I'm asking for it when I ask you all that. But yeah, this is just me trying to figure out what to do and try to establish some better habits for sure. Like I said, I don't do a nighttime routine, and tomorrow morning is going to be awesome to wake up to a clean kitchen for sure. I don't even, what am I going to do tomorrow? Make my bed. And actually clean the fridge, right? Because that might take me a little longer than 15 minutes. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. And as always, enjoy your day.